A very good day to all of you, especially to our beloved lecturer, Madam Rohaini. My group consists of me, Hisywaary, Nisha, and Ariff. So today we will be presenting about business intelligence within the healthcare industry. I will be discussing mainly about the benefits as per the title. So what is healthcare and what is business intelligence? Healthcare refers to the organized provision of medical care given to either an individual or a community. And business intelligence refers to the procedural or technical infrastructure that gathers, stores, and analyzes data from business activities, according to Investopedia.com. Business intelligence has been a vital aspect nowadays in many organizations, and today the healthcare industry is looking forward to implementing BI, business intelligence, in their operations. So the first and foremost benefit that they will get from implementing BI is they will be able to increase their visibility on financial operations. So meaning financial operations where they can track their cash flow, they can see what is purchased, for example, medicine, and also how many medicine is given away to the patients. With business intelligence in place, they will be able to identify which services are more profitable and which are underused. So knowing this information through BI, they will improve the profitable services and find out what's the problem with the unused services. So from here, they will be able to troubleshoot the problem and make a solution out of it. So with real-time access to information, they will be able to know instantly about the status of a patient or the arrival of new medicine or even the status of after treatment of the patients. Having business intelligence within the organization of healthcare, they will be able to eliminate redundant tests. So usually the healthcare industry in their old system, they will use a lot of paperwork to store data about their patients, like maybe after treatment and before treatment. Also the prescription of medicine and so on. So there's always problem of missing information or missing files of the patients. So having business intelligence will provide them with a more integrated system whereby they can store all the data digitally in one place that everyone in the company can access. So one of the most important benefit of business intelligence in the healthcare industry is that it will reduce the overall risk of disease for the patient. So when doctors get data from the patient, they will be able to get useful information that they will use to give the most suitable medication for the patient, and thereby reducing the risk of disease. And we will look into that later. So for the last benefit that I am going to talk about is that it's related to the previous two benefits, which is having no redundant tests and reduced overall risk of disease. So combining both of these, they will get an improved customer satisfaction. So having an improved customer satisfaction will lead to a better image for the healthcare organization, and this will attract more patients and retain the other current patients. And this is very beneficial to the company as to painting a good image to society. So I will give you an example scenario where the doctor is giving the medication to the patient. So from the process, the doctor will first get the data from the patients by running tests, and then from all that data collected, he will study the patterns of the current health condition of the patient, and then from this information, he will be able to determine whether the disease is contagious or not, or is it going to lead to other potential diseases. And then from that information, the doctor will be able to recommend the most suitable medication and give the best health advice, or ask the patient to change his or her health lifestyle. And then ultimately it will lead to reduced overall risk of disease. However, the business intelligence can only bring you benefits if you know how to use it. So one of the few challenges that are faced by companies nowadays is that there is lack of skills in the employees. So for the healthcare industry, according to TEK Systems survey, the amount of employees that lack of skills are 32%. And so from this survey, we will be able to know that some employees are not experienced in this kind of in the use of business intelligence. So maybe the healthcare industry should provide training for them, or they can opt for outsourcing, where they take outside vendors to come and help them out with the business intelligence, so that they can achieve the business intelligence goals and reap the golden benefits that it will promise. So thank you very much, and hope that you learned a lot from this presentation.